Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character nan. Step by step, I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Nan, south. For example, 西南 southwest. Southwest. This river flowed southwest to the Atlantic Ocean. 这条河流向西南汇入大西洋。This river flowed southwest to the Atlantic Ocean. 这条河流向西南汇入大西洋。这条河流向西南。这条河流向西南。汇入大西洋。The Atlantic Ocean. This river flowed southwest to the Atlantic Ocean. 这条河流向西南，汇入大西洋。南 in cursive. Nan, south, 西南 southwest. This river flowed southwest to the Atlantic Ocean. 这条河流向西南，汇入大西洋。南。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character nan. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.